Alright, welcome to this video walkthrough of an awesome Beacon Hill one bedroom right here in the heart of Boston. So this is the living room. You have a decorative fireplace, some super large windows to let in all that awesome sunlight. We have directly to the right of the door, you have some linen closets. Okay. And then we have the bathroom right over here. So, just a basic, simple bathroom, sink, toilet, vanity, shower, tub. All right, back into the living room. So hardwood floors throughout. Let's zip over to the kitchen. So you have cabinets up top, cabinets below, sink, electric stove, you have a fridge right here. Now this is attached. That wouldn't come off, that's built in. This table, however, was left by the previous tenant, so that is, you can take that off. So more gorgeous views. All right, lots of sunlight. Back into the living room. You have a closet right here, good sized closet. Plenty of room for storage and coats and hanging clothes. Let's just have a look over. That's one of the windows. That is the other one. And then finally, this one. All right. And then into the bedroom, where we have another closet, two closets actually. Sliding door closets over here, and then on the left, you have a large window right there, radiator, and good size ceilings. And that concludes our video walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you have any questions.